Hello and welcome to HeroTech Systems. This is Lab 9 of our CCNA Cisco Packet Tracer Lab series. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to assign an IP address to a switch using Cisco Packet Tracer. So for this lab, we're going to use the topology from Lab 8. So if you have not watched that video, I'm going to drop a link to it in the description. So let's begin. Firstly, I'll make sure I can ping between my devices. The ping from PC2 to Lab 2 is successful, and to the printer is successful. And lastly, I'll ping between any of the device and my router. It is successful. What was not successful in the last video was the ping between the PC and the switch. So it says the switch has no functional ports. Now let's fix that by assigning an IP address to the switch. This is how to do it. So I'll first determine the last IP address assigned to the printer, 172.16.0.4. So I'm going to click on my switch. I'll go to the CLI tab. Let me bring this way so we can see the network address and the subnet mask. And enable config T to go to the global config mode. What we need to do is to assign an IP address to the virtual interface or the management interface of the switch, because the switch is not a layer 3 device, and so you cannot assign an IP address to its physical interface. So to configure the virtual interface of the switch, use the command interface VLAN 1. The reason I'm configuring interface VLAN 1 is because all the ports on the Cisco switch are placed to VLAN 1. So interface VLAN 1, I'll assign it an IP address of 172. So press 172.16.0. The last IP address assigned to the printer, as we confirmed, is 172.16.0.4. So I'm going to assign this switch 172.16.0.5. And the subnet mask 255.255.0. And I'll no shut the interface. All right, so you can see the state of the interface VLAN 1, which is the virtual interface, has changed states to up. So it's now in an up state. So now I'll ping between the PC and the switch. So the first ping failed. You have to try this a couple of times. I'll ping again. Now it is successful. So I'll ping between the laptop and the switch. It failed. It's successful. So if your first ping fails, do not worry. That's due to address resolution protocol. Subsequent pings will be successful. So this is how to assign an IP address to a switch. If you found this video useful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel, and also click the notification icon so when we release a new lab, you will get notified. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.